Maytag Model 92 multi-motor. Came from a washing machine in 1929. And this is where we're at in the progress of putting it back together. And I think in that last video, was a error. When I put this cover on, right here, when I put that cover on there, I used that gasola as a gasket sealer on that. And that's not the proper use for gasola. Gasola is to be used on gasoline or petroleum related fittings or gaskets or gasoline, petroleum. The sealer I used it's that Permatex Pharma gasket. This is the number 2. It don't get hard. It gets firm and all, but it's not a hard setting sealer. But I took that off and took that gasket off and put another gasket on there and put that Permatex sealer. Piston's already in there with the 3 rings, you remember. New gasket, the crankshaft that came with it, new cotters, the big end of the rod fitted to the crankshaft, a little bit on the loose side to what I think it could be. All of the bushings in here seems to be acceptable tightness. I drilled that hole down in that bushing there so that I can replace that bolt that was on here with the oiler. Tapped the thread there, got a little oil on it and all. I'm gonna wipe it down with some lacquer thinner from one end to the other and tape off the parts there that I don't want to get no paint on to. And then I'm gonna go ahead and prime the rest of this engine. And then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna paint it green. That last video over there, I probably failed to mention the correct tool to do these bolts on this gas tank. The correct tool is a screwdriver flat blade type to fit in there. So, and the way it works is you put it right in that groove right there, and then, yeah, I've done already tightened them all up there, but it's the correct tool for that job as Maytag intended it, I would think. Tapped out the hole there, refreshed the hole for the filler plug. Some parts has been in the electrolysis tank. Some parts has been in the evaporust. Let's get some paint on there now. From here in Middle Tennessee. Geographical center or something. They say, Sharp Dog Sam, they call me here on the YouTube. Leave a comment, subscribe, pass it on. Yeah, that's that portrait video right there. Yeah, I never have used that setting before. Interesting. To the point. I should do that right there. I'm just saying. See, we can unwind that. What we just did there, them turnarounds coming around this way, you know, if we go back like that way right there, we can unwind them. We went back in time, more or less, I would think. Leave comments. Keeping in mind, you know, we just started with a $20 Maytag here. This is where we at now. Leave a comment. No, that's that Rust-Oleum rusty metal primer. You know, over that good clean metal. That's what it looks like. Maytag, model 92 multi-motor. And we get some green paint on it now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Went on ahead and painted this Maytag. That's that model 92 right there we working on. Yeah, I done already painted that thing. It's got 4 coats of paint on it there. I think it'll be all right. And we'll put them other parts back on it now. Get over on the workbench. Sit out there on that fence post, engine block there for 2 or 3 years. So, I'm here in Middle Tennessee. I'll leave a comment now.